tried making bread maker banana bread instead of the oven, and it ended up being way more like, an actual banana bread. Let me show you how I made it and how it turned out. To make this bread maker banana bread, start by adding 2/3 cup or 150 grams of butter or neutral cooking oil to the bread pan. Then pour in 1 1/3 cups or 270 grams of brown sugar. Next, pour in 2 1/4 cups or 280 grams of all-purpose flour into the bread pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, crack 2 medium-sized eggs into the bread pan. Then add in a 1/2 cup or 120 grams of sour cream, or plain yogurt is okay also. Next, I like to chop up about 3/4 cups or 90 grams of toasted nuts. You can use cashews or pecans, also work really well, and really add a yummy crunch and flavor to the banana bread. Now, for this banana bread recipe, you will need about 2 to 3 ripe bananas. Mash the bananas with a fork until smooth, and then add the mashed bananas to the other ingredients in the bread pan. Then, place the bread pan into the bread machine and close the lid. From your bread maker settings, choose the rapid or quick setting and press start. Then, let the bread machine do its thing. First mixing the ingredients and then baking it into a nice loaf of banana bread, as you will see in a second when I take it out from the bread pan. And here it is, a freshly baked loaf of bread maker banana bread. It smells incredible, but it has a texture that is more like classic bread than the cake-like oven version. But it is still quite soft and moist, and I think it will be absolutely perfect with some butter while it is still warm. Also, you have got to try the chocolate banana bread recipe here. It is so moist and scrumptious. Check it out now.